How you doing, folks? This van just showed up outside my house there. The owner of it is local, and I've seen it around the area a few times before, actually, and I've never gotten the chance to talk to him before. It's an original 1990 leisure drive, just 3 years newer than my wife's camper van, which is currently getting the TDI conversion. But it strikes me as interesting simply because of the fact that it's basically the same van as what we have. You know, it's got the leisure drive interior, the same roof essentially, slightly different but basically the same interior, in much cleaner condition, it has to be said, than ours as well too, and in much more original condition. And this one actually has a 1.9 straight diesel engine, so to be it's non-fuel injected, non-turbocharged engine. 1Y is the engine code. But I tell you one thing, it's a very, very straight van, and yeah, it's actually nice to see. Like, ours was actually the same colour as well too when we first got it. Now ours was a non-runner when we bought it, and it needed tidying, and needed a new engine. So it's now in its second engine, but this is actually yeah, it's a nice little find.